First, remove the sealing tape from the recorder. Then find a suitable location and affix it. After pasting, separate it from the base and tear off the lens protection sticker. Install the recorder back. Then connect the power cord. Insert the line into the gap above the roof. Remove the sealant from the left door. And remove the housing cover on the right side of the door. Then remove the housing cover on the left side of the instrument panel. Thread the line from above into the bottom. Adjust the plug to the appropriate size. Plug in the red and yellow wires corresponding to the sockets. Unscrew the lower screw to clamp the circuit clip into. Wrap the white connector with insulating tape. Choose a decorative shell you like. Then install the A-pillar cover. Line the line and insert it into the seam. Finally, close the lid and restore the seal. Recorder installation completed.